Hi, today I'm going to guide you through a simple installation of the Unity game engine. Personally, I prefer to use Unity Hub, a software that allows you to download and manage different versions of Unity on your one computer. This is very useful if you've got some projects that were created with a previous version of Unity and you need to still use them. At this stage it's not very necessary, so we're just going to go ahead and download a single version straight from the Unity website. The version we're going to be installing is version 2018.10F2. This was the most up-to-date version at the time of me recording this video, though by the time I've edited it, you're probably on 2019, knowing me. Now, all versions of Unity are available for free for any individual or company that makes less than $100,000 a year. So for you and me, it's free. It's completely free. The Pro versions or the Plus versions do have some extra features, but not many, and none that you would encounter if you're developing as an indie developer or as a hobby developer. Now, as you can see, all I'm doing here is just searching for Unity on their search engine. And now that I've found it and I've got to their download page, we'll just be able to download it. You don't need an ID or an account with Unity to download it, but you will need one to run the software. So we'll just click on the download link, and you see we have the three options I mentioned before here available, and we're going to click on personal. And you can see what makes them different in the boxes here below. So we'll just choose personal, accept the terms and conditions that I mentioned before about not making over $100,000 and not using Pro or Plus version. And we'll just download for whichever operating system we need. In my case, it would be Windows, but it works just as well on a Mac. So now when we click on the executable, it will come up with the setup wizard or the download assistant. Originally what's downloaded isn't everything that it needs, so here you select everything, all the little add-ons that you might want to download with it. Now, none of these things are adware or bloatware. These are all integral parts of Unity, but it depends on what your application will be. If you've decided that you want to build for iOS, then you can select iOS. If you want to build for an Apple product, or if you want to build for Android, you can select Android, and it will download what's necessary to build those things. But if you're never going to build for those particular things, then it doesn't make any sense to use up that space on your hard drive, because each one of these packages does have its weight. So if you think you're going to be building for something, definitely tick that. But if you know for a fact that you're not, just leave it unticked. It's not going to help you at all. One thing, however, you should never untick would be this one right at the top, because that is Unity itself. This is the software. So we're going to go ahead and click Next, choose where we want to install our software, which is in the normal place, and it will just start its installation. Now, in my case, it's found that I already have Unity, which I already do right here. But in your case, it will be installing it now, and you'll just have to press next a few more times, and everything will be finished for you.